Zara and Hyat. Hi everyone! I'm going to Wonderland. There will be so many rides there. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm here at the mall. Look, a fountain. Yeah! Let's go in the elevator. It's going up. Wonderland. I'm having so much fun. My height is perfect for these rides. Let's go! Let's take the slide. Yay! I'm on a swing. I'm building a house. I'm tired and it's a lot of work. So many balls. Yay! I crossed the bridge.
Oh, wow!
Let's go forward. Let's pop the balloons. A button. What does that do?
Oh, wow! Yay! A horse. Let's spin it. Yay! I'm riding a horse.
Very good, Hyat. You did great.
Daddy, I want to sit on this ride.
You want this.
Okay.
This is Zara. I'm driving a bus. Let's try this one. I have to do the same as this girl.
No, mine.
No, it's mine.
Okay.
You can take it.
Let's go, Daddy.
Okay.